Okay, I have a couple story problems we're going to go over. This has to do with investing or borrowing money. I believe the A stands for amortization. P stands for principal. A is how much you have after a certain amount of time. P is how much you invest or borrow. Then you have 1 plus the rate as a decimal. N is how many times a year is it compounded. So a mortgage is compounded monthly, so 12 times a year. And then T is how much time are we talking about. Mortgages are usually 30 years, but you can talk it over and maybe get a different kind. So if I want to invest $40,000, at 8% interest, that'd be 0.08. Compounded daily, so that's 365, and it's raised to the 365 times 40. Now this can be done in calculators now. 30 years ago, you had to use logs. So let me get my calculator on. So I would have 40,000 times parentheses 1 plus 0.08 divided by 365 close parentheses. Now, this button right here is called an up arrow. It means raise to the power of. So I'm going to raise to the power of parentheses 365 times 40. Close parentheses. And I get, let's see, $980,000 and 950. Well, I'm not even going to talk anymore today. $980,957. Not too bad, is it? Would you give someone $40,000 if they got $980,000 back? Now, it does take 40 years to get that. And in fact, this formula is not perfect, but it's not bad for what we're using it for. It'd actually be over $1 million. Okay, what if we want to invest $10,000 compounded monthly at 12%? How long would you have to go to get 20,000? So 20,000 equals 10,000. 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12, because monthly would be once a month. There's 12 months in a year, raised to the 12t. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 20,000, so that would be 2. 20,000 divided by 10,000 is 2. This would be 1.01. Because 0.12 divided by 12 is 0.01, 12t. So I'm going to take the log of both sides. Log of 2 equals 12t log of 1.01. So I'm going to divide both sides by log of 1.01. So get my calculator out. Log 2 divided by log 1.01 is 69. I'm going to go 69.66. Then we're going to divide that by 12. And I get 5.8. So it'd take almost 6 years to get your money to double. Okay, last problem here. Invest $2,000 compounded daily for 20 years at 6% interest. How much money would you have? Figure that out for me, please, right now. Okay, so A equals 2,000. 1 plus 0.06 divided by compounded daily would be 365. That'd be 365 times 20. Now again, you can do this on your calculator. Don't need logs for this. If you're missing the time, then you do need logs. So it'd be 2,000 times parentheses 1 plus 0.06 divided by 365, close parentheses, up arrow, parentheses, 365 times 20. And that would be $6,639, and we'll say 58 cents. So you've tripled your money, more than tripled your money. So that's what we're talking about. Hey, have a good day.